Medical Terminology and Lingo, Practice Round 1. This is a continuation of our lesson on prefixes for our Medical Terminology and Lingo series. Please watch the video linked below before proceeding to the practice round. Rules. We will give you terms that contain a prefix from the previous video. Break down each term with the prefix that you know. Define the term. There will be 12 questions, and you will have 10 seconds on the clock for each question. Pause for more time. Please note, some terms will have prefixes, root words, and suffixes that you may not know yet. We'll get to those soon, but for now, this is practice. We're talking about practice.
We're talking about practice. Not a game, not a game, not a game. We're talking about practice. Not a game.
We can't do these videos without you. If you hit the subscribe button, we'll make sure to do a lot more of these helpful lessons.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Let's do this. Question 1. Leukocyte. You have 10 seconds on the clock to break up this term and define it. Go. Great work. Prefix leuko is a color term for white, and suffix cyte is for cell. Therefore, leukocyte is indeed a white blood cell. Question 2. Hypoxia. Okay, hypo we know as low, below normal, decreased, and the suffix cia is for oxygen, so we have hypoxia, low oxygen levels. Question 3. Tachypnea. Tachy means rapid or fast, and pnea is air or breathing, so tachypnea means rapid or fast breathing. Question 4. Atrophy. A is for something that is lacking or absent, and trophy means growth in cell size. So atrophy is for lacking or absent in cell growth, the wasting of muscle. Question 5. Bradycardia. Awesome. If you were paying attention to our prefix lesson, you would know this one. Brady refers to slow, and cardia is the suffix to mean heart. Bradycardia is a slower than normal heart rate. Question 6. Hypertension. This one I'm sure a lot of you probably knew. Hyper we know as high, above normal, or elevated, and tension refers to pressure, specifically pressure of the blood. Hypertension is high blood pressure. Question 7. Chromophobia. When we discussed chromo and chromato in the prefix lesson, we said this is the prefix for color, and phobia is a widely popular term for the fear of. So chromophobia means fear of colors. Question 8. Macrocephaly. Macro is the prefix for large, seen by the naked eye, and cephaly refers to the head. Macrocephaly is a larger than average head, something you will have after completing this series on medical terminology with us. Question 9. Transdermal. Trans is a prefix referring to across. Remember transatlantic? Dermal sounds a lot like dermis, meaning dermis or skin. So transdermal means across the skin or dermis. Question 10. Extrathoracic. Extra means outside, and thoracic means chest, or thoracic region. Extrathoracic refers to something pertaining to outside the chest. Question 11. Perinephric. Peri refers to around, and nephric is for kidney, so perinephric is pertaining to around the kidney. Okay, last question. Let's finish off strong. Question 12. Normocytic. Well, you see normal in the word. Normal is for normal, and cyte is for cell, and ic is a suffix for pertaining to. Normocytic, characterized by red blood cells that are normal in size and usually also in hemoglobin content. Great job. I know you're somewhat of a nerd, so here's a bonus question for you, which I won't answer. Put the breakdown and definition in the comments below. The term is Splenomegaly. Comment below if you got it. Repeat this video as needed and watch the prefix lesson again. More soon, so stay tuned. If you'd like to see more of this lesson, head over to our Instagram page and TikTok channel at rev.med. We'll have this lesson along with many other topics for you to study. By the way, don't forget to do questions. Are you learning something from our videos? Well then click the subscribe button to your right. We are releasing high-yield lessons and ways for you to get ahead in class. Be sure to follow us on Instagram to take interactive quizzes and view your favorite diagrams. Nothing can stop you, but only if you believe in yourself. You got this.